Welcome again to another video on how to write a high-impact essay. In this video you will learn how to write an essay to interpret a line graph. What is a line graph? We use a line graph to show changes over time. These changes can be a progress in an activity, a development of a project, or adjustments in values, costs, temperature, and other measurable data. These changes are represented by numbers in a series of data points, connected by line segments on a graph. The line graph helps us show the relationships between or among data. What is an essay? An essay is a short formal piece of writing dealing with a single subject. An essay is written to inform, to persuade, to explain, or to entertain. An essay has three major parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Now let's look at the first paragraph of the essay, which is the introduction. Here, you will find a model introduction that is based on the line graph. A good introduction has three major parts. Start with a hook. A hook grabs the attention of the reader. In this model introduction, the hook is a question. Why are some shops closing while other new ones are opening? You can also start with a quote or an anecdote. These are the popular ways to make a hook. The second step of the introduction is to give the topic of the essay. Study the data on the graph so that you can write a very good main idea for your essay. Lastly, indicate the overall plan of the essay so that the readers know what are you presenting in the body of the essay. The first three sentences of the introduction make a good background of the essay. A good background of the essay links the topic to our life and society. Now, let us proceed to the first body paragraph. A good body paragraph or discussion paragraph must have the following. Start with a topic sentence to set the direction of the paragraph. In this case, your topic sentence refers to the changes in the sales of shop ABC. The topic sentence is followed by the supporting sentences. Since you are interpreting a line graph, the supporting sentences are the details and analyses of the important changes that happen to the sales at the different times as indicated in the graph. The last part of your body paragraph is a paragraph summary. The easy way is to repeat your main idea sentence at the beginning of the paragraph. Just write it in other words or other way. Another important consideration when you write your body paragraph is coherence. Coherence makes the ideas connected and clear. To achieve coherence in your writing, use organizing words and linkers, such as first, then, this, however, after that, but, also, finally, and other more. Check your book and notes for the other linkers or connectors. The second body paragraph starts with the linker, on the other hand. This signals that you are shifting to another topic. Your first sentence gives the main idea. Then, you have a number of supporting sentences to analyze and explain the important changes in the sales progress of the other shop. The last sentence is also a brief summary that repeats the main idea mentioned in the first sentence. It is important to note the vocabulary and phrases used to describe and analyze the line graph. Finally, the last paragraph in the essay is the conclusion. A good conclusion has a summary. Simply restate the main idea in the introduction. Likewise, a good conclusion gives a final opinion or a prediction. Lastly, you can include a recommendation or suggest an action for your readers. Now you can read the whole essay.